Karyans, how much of your energy is stuck in the past right now? Old mistake, missed chances, unfinished stories. What if productivity improves the moment you return to the present? Most people are not tired because of work, they are tired because of the mental baggage. Replaying the past drains attention. Regret, guilt, comparison, and all pull the mind away from now. When the mind lives in yesterday, today's work feels heavy and progress slows down. You cannot build the future while living in the past. Namaste, Karyans. I'm Vanita Ganesh Murthy, DGvG, your Vedic Productivity Coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Vedic wisdom teaches Kshanabodha, that is, the awareness of the present moment. The past is memory and the future is imagination. Only the present has creative power. When you anchor attention to now, focus sharpens, energy returns, action becomes effective, productivity becomes effortless. Simple practices to return to the present: conscious breathing, single task work, gentle self forgiveness, immediate next action. Presence is not spiritual escape, it is a practical power. Today, stop revisiting yesterday, choose one task and do it fully present. Inside the KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub, we train Karyans to release mental clutter and work from awareness, not anxiety. Join us and reclaim the present power. Until then, I wish you to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.